Hey everyone, my name is Shivam. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use auto layout in Figma, a powerful feature that helps you create responsive, flexible, and consistent designs. By the end of this video, you'll see how it can save a lot of time and improve your design workflow. So first, let's talk about what auto layout is. Auto layout is a Figma feature that automatically arranges elements within a frame or group based on their content, padding, and spacing. It's especially useful when you need to create designs that adapt to different screen sizes or dynamic content. So first, let me show you how I make a button using auto layout. As you can see, I'm writing a text. Click me for the button and let me change the color to make it visible. I'm changing it to white. So the next step is to using auto layout by clicking right on the mouse or shift plus A is the shortcut. So the frame automatically adjusts to the text, as you can see. Let me change the color to black to make it clearly visible. As you can see, it looks good. So let's play with the setting to see how it works. So here I can change the padding of this, side padding and bottom and top padding. Let me give some roundness. As you can see, the button looks good. So here we have more options. Let's see this card, which I have created using auto layout, which have spacing between the items, which controls the space between elements inside the frame. Let me adjust the height between the space. Let me show it to you. Here I am adjusting the space and padding as well, as you can see, which adds up inside the frame around the content. And in alignment, we can choose how the content aligns inside the frame. As you can see in alignment, it's adjusting, which is pretty cool. Auto layout in Figma is great for responsiveness. Let's say we want this button to adapt to different text lengths like submit or click here. Watch how it behaves as change the text. I'll change the text to submit. As you can see, the frame adjusts automatically, keeping the padding and spacing intact. This is extremely useful when designing for multiple screen sizes and ensuring your elements behave responsively, as you can see. So now let's dive a little deeper into the advanced features of auto layout. You can create vertical or horizontal stacks to organize multiple elements. For example, I created this form using a vertical auto layout. If I move this field outside of the frame, it automatically adjusts. And if I place it back in the frame, it adjusts automatically again. It's amazing how seamlessly and efficiently this works. So the main question arises, why should you use auto layout in your designs? What are their benefits? So the benefits is consistency. Your design will maintain uniform spacing and alignment. Efficiency, you won't need to manually adjust every element. Third one is responsiveness. Elements automatically adjust to content changes and different screen sizes. Fourth one is scalability. Easy scale your design without worrying about breaking the layout. So, auto layout in Figma is an essential tool for creating flexible, consistent, and responsive design, whether you are working on a mobile app, website, or a dashboard. It makes design easier and faster. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how auto layout works and how it can improve your workflow. So, if you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and Figma tutorials. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.